77 million tonnes. This is the weight of 15 million elephants and 6 million buses. It's also the amount of carbon emissions produced by cities every day. Over the next 30 years, urban population is set to double. What if carbon emissions doubled with it? Earth temperature has risen 0.8 degrees Celsius since 1881 due to heat-trapping pollution. A 3 degrees centigrade rise 30,000 years ago created 50 metres of water on top of New York. Would you like to live underwater?
Rapid urbanization is one of the most important and visible megatrends we have today. And urbanization affects a lot of things, also the construction industry, where we see that more and more construction sites are in urban environments and in cities. This is why Volvo CE has initiated the Construction Climate Challenge, where we, for one hand, want to gather all stakeholders to discuss the challenges we have, and on the other hand, also fund research projects for sustainable construction.
The number of megacities in the world are increasing, but we'll also see a restructure of the large cities in order for them to become more clean and less congested. One great example is Paris, where we right now see the start of the biggest infrastructure project in 100 years in the city. This Grand Paris project will deliver a more connected, less polluted and more environmental friendly city by the end of 2030. A new home for 12 million people.
Stockholm is one of the fastest growing regions in Europe. We have seen an increase of the population of about 25% in the last decade. It will continue to grow. That of course puts some strain on the infrastructure. Therefore the Swedish government has decided to build a bypass around Stockholm. The bypass is a 10-year project and will result in one of the longest road tunnels in the world. Swecon Anläggningsmaskiner, the Volvo CE dealer in Sweden, will be a part of this project because we have been selected to deliver machines and services. And we have been selected because we can, thanks to the Volvo products, and the fact that we have developed our service, can live up to the requirements from the construction companies. When it comes to the services, we have, for example, developed a 24/7 service, which will allow for us to come out and help the customers so they can get their machines up and running as soon as possible.
The large cities will be reshaped into more pleasant and green cities, not only for us now, but also for future generations to come. This change needs to happen with a minimum pollution and also with a minimum impact on people's daily life.
We at Volvo CE see 3 demand drivers which is affecting all future product development, all future services development, and that is that our customers want to have a safe operation, they want to drive their operations more efficiently, and they also want to drive their operations in a sustainable way. The EX2 full electric compact excavator is a great example how we address the future challenges. It's a fully electric excavator which is suitable for future construction site demands in an urban environment.
The world has suffered enough already. Let's take that 77 million tonnes of emissions right back down to zero. Or would you like to live underwater?